And this is the sight word page that we are calling the BoxIt page. And the reason I call it BoxIt is because this is the new thing that's not on any of the other pages, the BoxIt part. So of course, with this one, write your name first, just like all the other papers. And keep your pencil or pen out because you're going to need your pencil for this box and this box down here. So we have pencil, 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 and then the last two boxes on the corners, at the bottom, you can use crayons. But BoxIt, these boxes are here to show you the size of the letters. And since I'm working with this word here, I have 4 boxes for 4 letters. This video might be up for another word of the week. It will have the same number of boxes for however many letters are in the word. If it's a short box, then it's a short letter. If it's a tall box, it's a tall letter, and your letters should fill the boxes that are assigned to them. So for this word, I have W, which is a short letter, and the I's, remember that dot does go outside of the box, but we still call it a short letter because it does not go all the way to the top. The T starts at the top, goes down, cross in the middle. H starts at the top and then up in a hump. So that is why it's called the BoxIt page, because we're putting those letters in the boxes that match the size of the letter. Then you come down with your pen or pencil and you trace. The I goes up there. The T should start at the very top. So should the H. Remember, we always start our letters at the top and then go down. We never start at the bottom and go up. And then you write it again with your pen or pencil. Try to make your words on line 2 look exactly how you traced it up here. Here's my little house. There's the sky. Put a cloud and the sunshine. And of course, there's the ground. Every letter sits on the ground or stands on the ground. But some letters stay inside the house, which means they have to go all the way up to the ceiling and all the way down to the floor. So there's the W, the I, and then some letters start way up in the sky, and that means they have to start all the way at the top and go straight down, all the way down to the ground. So that's what we're talking about when we say that if it lives in the house, then it fills that whole space. But if it doesn't go up to the sky, then it doesn't get to go up here in the sky part. It has to stay down in the house. If it does go in the sky, you start it way, way at the top line. Once you're done with your name, box it, trace it, write it, then you can switch to your crayon and you can color your letters over here. Make sure you stay in those lines, and we're not just scribbling or going like this. We're really coloring in those letters to help us remember the letters in this word. Say the word while you're coloring it in. And then this will also help us, when we hunt for the word, find all of the ones that we're looking for. Don't let it trick you. Remember, some of these can be tricky because they start with the right letter, but in order to be the correct word, it has to have that many letters, and all the letters have to be in the right order, or it's not the right word. Okay, when you finish that up, then you're done. You can definitely color the little person on the paper if you want to, but again, that's not mandatory. The assignment is just to write your name with a pencil, box it, trace it, write it, all with pencil or pen, and then you hunt for it and color it at home with your crayons.